The Samsung Galaxy J3 combines a vibrant HD display, high-res camera, and one very attractive price tag. The 5-inch screen is the same size as most higher-end phones, making it perfect for comfortable swiping and tapping. HD makes it sharp, and AMOLED means it shares the same tech found in the new Galaxy S8. That means it looks incredible, making colours pop so your pictures and videos look super rich. What about the camera? Well, 8 megapixels means that you get excellent detail in your photos, and it records HD video too. There's a 5 megapixel front camera too, so you'll look extra sharp in all those selfies and group shots. Quad-core power inside the J3 means navigation is slick and easy, while Android, the operating system under the hood, means you can download tons of free apps and games available through the Google Play Store. The Galaxy J3 also takes micro SD cards, so you can make some space for all your music, photos and videos. And a removable battery means that if you're going away for the weekend, you can pack some spares. For more information and to find the right phone plan for you, visit virginmedia.com.